Welcome to the Plutus IS. Today we'll cover one of the very important topic of a geology paper, optional one. Okay, so the topic is, the question has been asked so many times frequently in your PYQs. So the topic is your, this in the sealant traits. In the sealant traits, we cover actually mainly three topics. है ना? The first is your polymorphism. Polymorphism. The second is your metagenesis. The second is your metagenesis, and third is your alternation of generation. Right? What happens? Sealant rate shows all these three, you know, but we get confused so many times between the metagenesis and the alternation of generation. Today we'll talk about the difference in all three. Okay, so the first is your polymorphism. So the first is your polymorphism. The best thing about geology or the science or this or any science topic is it explains itself, है ना? If we understand and decipher the word, it will always tell what it is. Okay, so if you're talking about the poly, if we decipher this word, poly means many or various, morphism मतलब form. ठीक है, so that means simply many forms of organisms in its life. Simple. Okay, it is the simplest thing. Okay, then if we talk about the metagenesis, actually the confusion is not between the metagenesis and the polymorphism. The main confusion is between the metagenesis and the alteration of generation. There's a two word, meta and the generation. Okay, so the meta generation when we talk about, and then we talk about the alternation of generation. In both of that terms, there is a one common thing, that is your generation, not the genesis. Okay, so what is the alternation of generation? The metagenesis, suppose that if we talk in the sealant traits, there is a two different forms of organisms life, that is your polyp and medusa. है ना? Wait a minute, I'll explain it this concept very nicely. है ना? Polyp and medusa. But when we talk about alternation of generation, है ना? When we talk about, पूरा लिख देती हूँ, alternation of generation, what does that mean? That means there is a change in the form. Everything is about the polymorphism. That is a change in the form of asexual, or the rotation of the form between asexual and sexual. Or specifically, if we say there is a alternation of generation between haploid and diploid form of body. What is the difference between alternation of generation and metagenesis? So here, when we talk about the first of all alternation of generation, this is specifically the botanical term. It is not only, but yes, it is specifically the botanical term. Why I am saying that? When we are talking about the alternation of generation, have you heard about the haplodiploid, diplohaploid concept, kind of concept? Suppose some of that small your plant, है ना? Suppose that some of the algae, Chlamydomonas, Ulothrix, Spirogyra. What happens in that? Suppose that if the main body, if the normal organism is 2n, okay, so then it converts into then n, है ना? Not only the body part, there's a difference. Suppose that if we talk about the alternation of generation in human, है ना? First we understand the alternation in the plants. So this is your main plant body, है ना? And this plant body converting, this is your diploid. We already know the concept of diploid and haploid, and this is your haploid. Okay, so when we are talking about the alternation of generation, this is your gamete stage. And if the main body is this is your gamete, है ना? It is not a one cell of the gamete, it is just a gamete. Okay, then it gamete fertilize here, the fertilization, है ना? Whatever the sperm or the ova, whatever it is forming, है ना? There is another n body, है ना? And then both form the zygote, which is your which is your 2n, because it is n or it is n. Then zygote converts into that 2n. This is your alternation of generation. But when we are, this is your alternation of generation. This is your alternation of generation, right? But when we are talking about the metagenesis, when we are talking about the metagenesis, then suppose that in coelantrates, right? If we coelantrates, and we are talking about the polyp and medusa. So the polyp is generally the sessile body or the stable in structure, which is stalked, है ना? Which is stable, है ना? So this is your polyp, and this polyp, it is also 2n. Okay, it is also 2n, and it is forming the medusa. And what it is doing, it is forming the medusa. Okay, and this is also 2n. It is not converting between the 2n and n. Then this polyp and medusa, this is simply the asexual. This is polyp. Okay, this is your polyp. And when we are talking about asexual and sexual, this is your asexual. Okay, and this is your medusa. This is your medusa, and this is the sexual stage. So if I'm talking about this, if I'm talking about the metagenesis, this is the changing of the form, or the one form is the asexual and the another form is sexual. Okay, this is not here, the number of diploidy or haploidy is not changing, the ploidy level is not changing, specifically when you're talking about metagenesis, that is your polyp and medusa. Suppose that if we're taking the example of obelia, we can do one thing, if you guys want, है ना? हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास में मेटाजेनेसिस अच्छे से डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? फिर ये मेटाजेनेसिस क्या करता है, यहाँ पे ये गैमीट प्रोड्यूस कर सकता है. So if you're talking about the specifically metagenesis in obelia, the external fertilization, and then suppose that this is your male, है ना? Some another body, this is also form, this is also complete form, ठीक है? And this is your female, है ना? ये ऑल्सो क्या करेगी, गैमीट जनरेट करेगी, और यहाँ पे क्या होगा, गैमीट्स का फर्टिलाइजेशन होगा. यहाँ पे क्या होगा, गैमीट्स का फर्टिलाइजेशन होगा, एंड दे प्रोड्यूस द जाइगोट. There is an indirect development, then there is a planula larva. I am not explaining the life cycle of obelia. I am just trying to tell how this is now fertilization. The zygote is again 2n, है ना? This is the stage. यहाँ पे जो आपकी n है, ये भी आपका n है और ये भी आपका n है, ठीक है? यहाँ पे we are not talking about the gametes or the haploidy or diploidy. We are just talking about the two forms. So we can say that obelia or the coelenterate shows your polymorphism, है ना? And metagenesis, but that is not necessarily the alternation of generation, है ना? Here it is also 2n. What is the change? This is the asexual form of the polyp. Just mention this line, है ना? तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, आपका प्लान्युला लार्वा होता है. प्लान्युला लार्वा get settled down on some stratum, on some substrate, है ना? like this, and then it convert into adult. यहाँ पे प्लानुला लार्वा के साथ साथ आपका हाइड्रोला लार्वा भी आता है, but again we are not describing that obelia की life cycle, so we are just trying to explain convert into adult, ठीक है? So this is your metagenesis, and this is your alternation of generation. Okay, we got this concept. So suppose that if we want to write about the metagenesis, this is a change in the form of asexual and sexual division, sexual form. So what happens here? Okay, so if you want to explain that polyp and medusa, look, the polyp can produce the polyp also in unfavorable condition when there is not much energy to invest in the sexual reproduction. Polyp reproduce asexually also, है ना? इनके पास self capacity होती है sexuality की. So polyp producing polyp also, and polyp is asexual and it is producing medusa also. So medusa क्या करते हैं? Medusa is your sexual. When there is a conversion, but we cannot talk like the polyp can produce the gamete directly. Suppose that अगर इसको हम लोग if we want to compare the metagenesis and the alternation of generation, so अगर यहाँ पे metagenesis तब होती, suppose that polyp आपका directly haploid gamete produce करता. This is the alternation of generation. But what we are talking about the metagenesis, the one form or the asexual form of the polyp is converting or is forming the sexual form of the medusa, है ना? And medusa is also 2n. Okay, wait a minute. This is polyp, this is asexual, and this is sexual. Medusa is also 2n and the polyp is also 2n. Then medusa is forming a number of gametes n, है ना? Both medusa, the two types of medusa, then producing two types of gamete. Okay. Then they get fertilized and form the zygote. That is again 2n. Okay. So this is your metagenesis and this is your alternation of generation. Alternation of generation is mainly between the haploid and the diploid stage, while the metagenesis is between. It is not necessarily specifically of the haploid or the diploid stage. Thank you. If you guys want, I can explain the metagenesis in the obelia or the aurelia in separately. है ना? The one more thing is here. Suppose that if we talk about the alternation of generation, the classification. The one more thing, the classification of the protozoa. Sorry, the classification of the coelenterate occurs. Suppose that classification. If we talk about the classification, we can better understand this. है ना? So classification of coelentrates जो होते हैं आपके, the classification of coelentrates is mainly hydrozoa, where both polyp and medusa, if the medusa is not present, polyp is definitely present. ठीक है? Then scyphozoa, where the medusa is present, okay, where the medusa is present. Last point is your anthozoa में polyp is present or absent in a very, this if it's present, it's very in a minute form. Then there is anthozoa में आपका क्या है? Polyp form is present, medusa form, better write it medusa form. ठीक है? इसमें आपकी polyp form is present. ठीक है? So here we are saying that कि यहाँ पे आपकी सपोज स्काइफोजोआ का आपका एग्जांपल ऑरिलिया है और हाइड्रोजोआ का एग्जांपल आपका ओबिलिया है. सो ओबिलिया विल शो your metagenesis because 2n and 2n both, but scyphozoa and anthozoa generally organisms do not show that metagenesis, but they can show the alternation of generation. Thank you.